Hello, in this short tutorial I want to show you how you can handle the type error in Python. Type error is actually thrown when mistakenly you try to concatenate a string and an int. Probably you actually want to consciously concatenate your values, or you want to do addition. You're using the addition operator and you mistakenly put one of the values in upper quotation. So all this could throw that type error. What it's telling you actually is that you are trying to concatenate two different types of data. So let's demonstrate this. Let's assign value 2 int to variable A, and to variable B let's assign an integer, a string 4, because we have put it in upper quotes. So that automatically renders it a string and not an integer. Same as C was John. All right, so let's now say, let's define variable D and assign B that is B plus C to D, and we say, so if we call D, you say for John, you can be 4 apples depending on whatsoever value you assign to C. Okay, now let's proceed and say E. We have a variable E and we want to define it, and say E is A plus C, and that should throw the error. You see, it says type error, unsupported operand type for the plus, int and string, meaning that the operator cannot concatenate int and string. So what do you do? So let's say A, we change our A to a string if that is what you want to do. But if your intention is to do addition, that means you have to remove the upper quotation from B, and that will give you your D, which will be so. But now let's first go through the route of turning the int into string. So equal. So now that we have done that, let's go back and define E. E equals A plus C, as we did earlier. Now let's call E. You see, we have been able to return E now. So that is what you need to do. Now let's reassign A. Let's say A equal 2. Let's turn it back to 2. And let's say our b equals 4. So this time around, what we have done is we have put the 2 as integer, and none of them is a string. So if we say e equals a plus b, it will do the addition for us and not concatenate. You see? So if you want to concatenate, that is join two strings together, what you do is you put them in upper quotation mark. It could be double quote, it could be single quote, it does not matter. So, but if you have put one in quotation mark by mistake, all you need to do is remove the quotation mark if you are doing arithmetic operation. So thank you. Please remember to subscribe. And there are videos, related videos in the description below.